Oh my God, it's him again. He's a professional guy from South Africa. He goes by the name of Gideon Dzhivhuho. I thought you've heard about him. I saw him on Twitter, even on YouTube. He's the most trending guy.
Hi, greetings guys. Thank you for joining us today. The TFB has arrived at Tshakuma. At this moment, we are now gathering the friends and the family. I've got one brother with me here in whom you can see. He goes by the names of this is Mulanga Chikoro. Mr. Mulanga Chikoro, tell me, where do you come from?
I come from Tshakuma community. Yeah.
How far is it from here?
It's just close by. It's just
close.
past the primary school over here. Then, yeah. That's where I stay.
Please tell me, my brother, what brings you here today?
What brings me here is the funeral of my granny who passed away last week. And, I'm just here to pay my last respect to my loved granny.